Come on, Myrtle. Let's go. All right, hello from Yuma, Arizona. It's a very, very windy day here. It's really too windy to be cycling. You can see the flags are flying really stiff. And I'm outside of my travel trailer. I've got Myrtle in the truck bed. I'm doing a little troubleshooting. Yesterday I had posted a video where I talked about a situation when I'm riding over very rough roads, the motor cuts out. And I first wanted to talk about that. I didn't really explain it very well. I wanted to show what happens. So this is the display. And when I go over very rough roads, the motor goes into the off position, but the display stays on. And really all I have to do is hit this button and it's in eco mode and the motor's back on and I can continue riding with the electric assist. You know, one of the nice things about this system is you can ride without having the motor on. You can't really feel that you have a motor. It feels just like riding without having a motor. And so that's really one of the big benefits I find with this is if something happens to you out on the road, you can still continue riding. But of course, we've got the electric assist. We want to use it. And so I'm trying to figure out, you know, what's happening when I go over rough roads. And it has to be very rough. It can't be, you know, it's not going to turn off if I go over railroad tracks or, you know, just some rocks. It's got to be something pretty significant. And the roads here in Yuma are terrible. And so I've been experiencing this just a little bit more. But in the comment section of a video I posted yesterday, some of you had offered an interesting solution or a reason for this problem. And it was suggested that maybe because the batteries are mounted horizontally, that the rough roads and the up and down motion is causing the battery to get loose in the mount. And I thought, well, you know what, that's something worth exploring. And so I'm looking at that today. I've gone through and I've cleaned all the connections and I've tightened up anything. I really didn't see anything that was significantly loose, certainly not anything that said, oh, there's the problem. And with this system, this is the only battery that connects to the motor. I have two battery mounts. So I have another battery mount here. It's kind of hard for me to show it on the iPhone, but it just holds the battery, and I like it for weight distribution. You've got two batteries. They're both securely on the trike, and it keeps the weight low. And if this battery goes dead, I actually have to take it out and I have to switch it out for the battery on the other side. And so you have to use a key to get the battery off, and it just slides off. So just like so. And then, so this is the connecting plug. And as you can see, it's a horizontal plug. When this was first suggested that maybe the horizontal mount of the battery could be an issue, I thought, wow, if these prongs are vertical, then yeah, I can see them, bouncing up and down might be an issue. But these are horizontal, and I really don't see how the battery is going to come out of that plug. And so I'm going to put it back in. And you can hear it snap. Really clicks in tight. And, I can try to move it side to side. It doesn't move. I can try to move it back and forth. It doesn't move. And up and down. It doesn't move. This battery is in the mount very, very securely. And so I really doubt that is the issue to explain why the motor is turning off when I'm going over rough roads. And so I'm back to my pedal straps, which I have kept very, very loose. It's just really easy for me to get my feet in and out of the pedals if they are looser, but I'm going to try tightening them down and then going over rough roads and seeing if the battery still cuts out. But let me know what you think of my analysis. I love hearing from everybody. You guys always come up with just wonderful suggestions and ideas, and so leave a comment in the comment section below. And as always, thank you for watching.